Clinking glasses during a toast. It's a familiar sound at celebrations, whether it's a wedding, a birthday, or just a night out with friends. But have you ever wondered why we do this? Why do we touch our glasses together and say cheers before taking a sip? Today, let's explore the origins of this centuries-old tradition and uncover the reasons behind the clink. The act of toasting dates back to ancient times, when raising a glass was not just a gesture of goodwill, but a symbol of trust and connection. One of the earliest origins of clinking glasses comes from the fear of poisoning. In medieval Europe, and even earlier in ancient Greece and Rome, poisoning was a real danger, especially among the upper classes. To prove that their drink was safe, hosts would pour a little of their drink into the guest's cup, or they would clink their cups together so vigorously that their drinks would splash and mix. This was a way of showing that neither cup held poison, ensuring mutual trust. Over time, clinking glasses evolved from a protective measure to a symbolic gesture of goodwill. In the Middle Ages, people began to incorporate sounds, sights, and smells into the toasting ritual. It was believed that by clinking glasses, you were completing the sensory experience of drinking, engaging the eyes, nose, taste, touch, and now sound. The ringing noise of glasses touching became a way to heighten the moment, making the toast more ceremonial and meaningful. There's also a spiritual aspect to the tradition. In many cultures, the sound of clinking glasses was thought to ward off evil spirits. Just as bells were rung to chase away negative energies, the loud clink was believed to protect the drinkers from harm or bad luck. It was a way to ensure that the moment was pure, safe, and blessed, especially during important gatherings and celebrations. Another layer of meaning comes from the idea of unity and togetherness. By clinking glasses, you're symbolically joining with the people around you, sharing in the joy of the moment. It's a way of saying, we're in this together, and acknowledging the bond between friends, family, or even strangers. In some traditions, it's considered rude not to make eye contact when you clink, as it emphasizes the connection and sincerity of the gesture. As the practice spread across cultures, the reasons behind it evolved, but the core idea remained the same: a shared moment of goodwill, trust, and togetherness. Today, clinking glasses is often accompanied by words of good wishes like cheers, salud, or prost, each culture adding its own flavor to the ritual. Whether it's a quiet dinner or a rowdy celebration, the act of raising a glass and hearing that familiar clink creates a sense of unity and joy. So the next time you clink glasses during a toast, remember that you're participating in a tradition that's been passed down for centuries, one that's steeped in history, trust, and the spirit of celebration. It's more than just a gesture. It's a way to connect, to honor the moment, and to share a little bit of happiness with those around you. And that's why we clink our glasses. A simple act with a rich history that continues to bring people together, one toast at a time.